Hello, today I am going to introduce about artificial intelligence, data science and machine learning. Guys, all of you know artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning are the very interesting and very hot topic in this current situation because many researchers, many students, they are doing a lot of project using this AI, DL and machine learning. So before start to any project using ML, DL and machine learning, you have to know what is the logic behind AI, DL and machine learning. So before start the topic, I want to say a very basic about AI, DL and machine learning. So from the PPT you can see here. So today I'm going to explain about introduction to AI, DL, machine learning. After that, I'll explain about perceptron, then neuron. After that, I will explain activation function and loss function and cost function. So this is the today's agenda. Now I'm going to start my next slide. So guys, what is AI, what is ML and what is DL? So guys, all of you having idea about that if I'm not wrong. Anyway, I am telling you one more time. AI is broad field of like computer science. Okay, it is especially using so many mathematical concept using there. Okay, so artificial intelligence actually it is introduced just before I think 20 years. So nowadays it's having a lot of like application. Okay, using AI you can design very new model to train some data. Okay, so actually machine learning, deep learning, these all are the part of AI. Okay, so guys, first of all I just want to say you what is AI. So guys, artificial intelligence, it is a field of computer science dedicated to create a system and technology that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. Okay, that means this human intelligence we can actually explain using this AI concept like a computer, how it's working. So normally manually we are working the computer. Okay, suppose we want to design a system, the system can mimic the human behavior. So these things actually came from the this concept, that is AI. Okay, so this task it is include the reasoning, learning, solving. Okay, prediction, okay, perception, and the language understanding. This artificial intelligence aim to build the machine that can mimic the human behavior, okay, functions such as recognizing pattern, okay, making decision, and the understanding the natural like language. So what is the key area of AI? That is key area of AI is ML, NLP, like DL, computer vision. So that is the main key area of the this AI. So guys, what is in the short form here, I'm also providing one very small definition of AI. So AI refer to the development of a computer system that can perform the tasks that typically require human intelligence, like which can able to mimic the human behavior. Okay, that is in simple we can say like artificial intelligence. Now, you can see from this diagram, this machine learning and the deep learning, it's a parts of artificial intelligence. Now, what are the differences between them, guys? We all know the machine, the machine learning. In case of machine learning, we are introduce a lot of mathematical, like statistical, linear, so many. Equations we are using statistic equations, we are using calculus, we are using probability to build some model in machine learning. So basically we can say this machine learning model basically depend upon the mathematical model. Now what is like deep learning? Deep learning also based on the machine learning, but here one thing is newly introduced in deep learning, that is deep learning follow the concept of neural network. Neural network means how our human neurons work. Like this concept we introduced in case of deep learning. So that's why this is the difference between deep learning and the machine learning. So machine learning is a subset of AI. Okay, that focus on the development of algorithm and the method enabled to compute and enable to computer to learn from the data. So here actually this is I wrongly wrote here artificial intelligence. It will be machine learning. Okay, so machine learning actually it's learn from the data. It is actually work on the experience. It will learn something from the data. So based upon the data, okay, so it will we need to provide some training to the machine learning model. Okay, and machine learning model actually based upon the training it will provide some output. Clear? I think it's clear for all of you. Okay, if any you having any doubt, you can comment on this video. Okay, once again I'm saying like machine learning it's a subset of AI. I already told you that figure that actually focus on the development of the algorithm and the statistical model that enable to computer to learn and then make prediction or decision based on the data and the training. Unlike the traditional program where the like we need to write some code by the human. Machine learning algorithm identify the pattern and the relationship in idea, improvement their performance physically that tracks over the time. Okay, what is the key concept of the machine learning? The key concept is machine learning is that is data, model, training, prediction, evaluations. Okay, so data means the raw information. That is the features and the level using to train the machine learning model. Model means a mathematical representations of the algorithm that make the prediction or the decision based on the data. Training means the process of teaching a model by by like exposing to the large amount of data and the adjustment its parameter to the minimize the error. The prediction means after providing the training to the model, we need to predict the output from the model. The model output or the decision based a new or unseen data is the prediction. Evaluation means like it is I need to assure the performance of the model using like some uh, accuracy for example precision recall and efficient score. Using this we can evaluate the model. So some of the very important machine learning model is that is supervised learning, for example classification, regression, unsupervised learning, for example like clustering, dimensional reductions, and reinforcement learning. These three are the very popular. Okay, some common algorithm of the machine learning, for example linear regressions. It is a simple algorithm for regression task. Okay, decision tree, it is a model to make a decision based on a series of questions about the input features. Then like svm, k means clustering. So these are the some important algorithm of the machine learning. Clear? So now talk about deep learning. So guys, deep learning it is a subset of a machine learning that actually involve neural network within the multiple layer. Okay, deep learning neural network. This actually network, also known as the artificial neural network. Okay, are inspired by the structure and the function of the human brain. Okay, so there is a difference between deep learning and the machine learning. Guys, clear what is the difference between deep learning and machine learning? Now, this machine learning is specially based on mathematical model, and the deep learning itself totally based on the numerical model as well as like mathematical model. Okay, so deep learning I already told you it's a subset of the machine learning that focus on the algorithm inspired by the structure and the function of the brain neural network. Okay, so neural network I will explain in the upcoming sessions. Okay, this deep neural network or DNN, it is a consist of multiple layer or neuron that can learn the represent data with like multiple level. Okay, deep learning has driven in significant advertisement in the area of such as image and the speech recognitions. Okay, natural language processing and the automation system. What is the key concept behind the deep learning? That is neural network. Okay, here we need to know about the input layer, hidden layer, output layer. Okay, next is accuracy function. Accuracy function, so many accuracy functions we are using like ReLU, sigmoid, tangent. Okay, so these are the some very important accuracy function. Training, in the training we will explain like forward propagation, backward propagation, loss function. Okay, then optimize algorithm like statistics and gradient descent, adam. Okay, RMS probe. These are the some optimizations algorithm there. So, for example, what are the different type of neural network? For example, forward neural network or APNN, CNN, that is convolutional neural network. Okay, its application is especially image recognition, okay, video analysis and the object detections. Then recurrent neural network or RNN, especially you are using it for language model or speech recognitions or the time series prediction or the sentiment analysis. Next is transformer, like application machine translations, text summarizations. Okay. Now, what are the different application of like deep learning? That is image or video analysis. Okay, like an NLP, speech recognition, healthcare, finance, even like web development. There are so many application of deep learning also. Guys, today I just given here one very small introduction of the advanced AI. In the upcoming class, I will explain in very more about this topic. Thank you. Thanks for listening.